Victoria, do you know what a cold start is?
No.
A cold start. Take a guess at what a cold start is.
When you start a car in the cold.
Yeah!
Okay, so a couple things. The steering wheel is not really bolted on, okay? So, oh, now you've done it. Put it on straight-ish. Okay. All right, we're not driving tonight. Okay, key in.
It's okay. I'm in reverse.
No, yes, and you're going to take yourself out of reverse before you start the car, correct? Put your foot on the clutch, okay? Okay, don't start it. Yep, good. Neutral. Okay, you can see we've got a few things we have not installed on Frostbite yet. Okay. Keep it in neutral.
I'm really scared, but I'm so excited.
Why are you scared?
Because I don't want to ruin the car.
Ruin the car?
Well, you just moved the engine out of the way in case I go flying backwards.
Yeah, we've removed that engine out of the way in case she goes flying backwards. Okay, no, I'm serious. Is the parking brake on?
Parking
Oh yeah, parking brake's on.
Parking brake, it works.
Yep. Oh, good. The light's on. Good. Yes, because we fixed that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so your electronic spark control is disconnected because I'm going to try and do timing right now. Here's the cold start. So, Victoria, key to the on position, and let's see if we have fixed all of our leaks.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I can't even see it. Yeah, I screwed this up by one tooth, I think. Yeah. I gotta fix this. But there's a cold start, not quite ready. But here's our injector. Turn the lights on!
Lights on! Turn the lights on!
She probably doesn't remember how to turn the lights on. Oh, Dominic's gonna show her. There we go. So timing is off. I think the distributor is off one tooth. That's why I had to retard the timing so much. I think the distributor's off one tooth in the advanced position, I think is how that works. I'll do that next. But we had all sorts of issues with leaking injectors, injector bodies, all that kind of jazz, but we got it sorted. And that was your first time starting it.
All I want to do is win, no matter what.
Turn your radio on.
No radio? Oh
Yeah. Rotate the knob on the left.
Yep.
Okay, turn it up. Okay, whoa. Are you turn it to FM? Probably don't even know how to use one of these things. Rotate the knob below and find a station. Find 92.1 or 107.3. That'll work. Are you on AM or FM?
I don't know what AM and FM is.
Here, hold on. Say it, let me see this. No, you were on FM.
I'll blow the clutch.
Yeah, because you're in neutral, but do it carefully. There you go. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so up there. It's really advanced. I see it up there. It's advanced. Okay. Hold on a minute. Okay, there's 8 degrees. Okay. Gotta figure. I think that's the IACs figuring themselves out. Okay. Hey, can you
I love this song.
Okay, here, hold on a second. Can you turn it to 73? Okay, Dom, right? Dom? I tested the fan circuit and it worked. I don't know if the signal will be set properly. Well, actually, I think I do know. The ECM might not send the signal properly, but
ECM's not connected right now.
the ECM? Yeah, it is on this. Oh, no, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Victoria, switch it to English on the dash there. The slider in the middle of all the buttons, the vertical slider. Good. Okay, we're at 178. So I'm going to read red temporarily. What was it supposed to? Actually, I don't think it's supposed to activate the fan until 222. So the idle's way too high. What's the idle? The idle RPM. 14, so that's, yeah. I smell burning rubber. The injectors look fine. They look great. Oh man, that's red. Dom, come over here.
Look at it right on my side too.
That means it's lean. Oh, wow. Oh my God. That's not good, is it? What is it?
94.
No, did you put it on English still?
Yeah, it's on English. I just put it on.
No, that wasn't 94. What's it read? 201? All right. We're gonna keep running this until I think it's 222, and that fan should come on. Yeah, it's okay, it's paint. I'm pretty sure it's paint on the block, and that is concerning. What's the oil pressure? Is that temperature or is that PSI? Is it on? Is the slider over here on temperature or pressure? Oil pressure. 51. Excellent. 51 oil pressure. Great. So how come it just, is that the O2 sensor now kicking in and controlling things? It must have gone into closed loop. Closed loop means it's using the computer to control everything. It's still red hot exhaust. The smoking I think we're seeing is the paint on the paint and all the cleaning chemicals that were residual and everything. It's actually starting to dissipate the smoke. Pardon? Okay, 220, all right, well. Victoria, switch it to English, and what does it say? Or metric. Okay, metric, what does it say? Okay. Switch it back to English. I don't know. What is it now? Keep reading it out. Okay. $231. Okay, turn it off. Key off. So 230. What is it? And
232.
Put the key back to the on position. 232. 233. Why?
34.
Yeah. Okay. Right. I'm gonna ground this pin. Dom, can you come over here and hold this phone for me? Yeah. Hang in there. Hold on. Hold this phone. Yep. Yeah, there. Look, it came on. Turn the car back on. It came on. It worked. What's the temperature? Okay, so the fan came on at 238 after we turned the car off. She just restarted the car and the temperature's dropping. 230 now. Still running? No, it stopped. The fan stopped now. What the hell? So it took me down to what? Okay, we've got it. So I think this switch is not good. This switch is supposed to come on much lower than that. It's supposed to come on at 223 Fahrenheit. And it came on at 238. Keep reading. Keep reading it out. think it was 238, I think, which is way too high. So there was a forum member who said you need to put on a different one, and I bought that one. But I thought this one would have worked, but it absolutely is coming on way too late. So I will remove. Okay, keep reading it up. We will swap it out to the other one. I think it's 127. Okay, can you have a choose if not the confident to turn the car off? I'm doing great, buddy. No, keep going. Yeah, keep going, my man. Okay, now we set the fan. Okay, Victoria, can you shut the car off? Okay, now put it in reverse. Okay. Yeah, and now take the key out. You're gonna put it right back in again in a second, so just hang in there.
No red hot exhaust.
Yeah, it's hot, but it's not that hot. Okay, now I'm gonna connect your electronic spark control and try. Here we go. Okay, Victoria, you can start it up again. Are you in neutral? Put it in neutral for us. Just to be sure. Okay, thanks. So what that did, Dom, was you set your base timing. You set the base timing at 8 degrees before top down center on 1, which is why this is connected onto the first window of the Frostbite. Now that that's done, the computer can take over the timing again, so I plugged in the electronic or the computer control timing. Now, interestingly, it's idling time. Let's just see if it brings the side of that down. Oh, did it? Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. And 12 again. So the heater works. This is that is highly pressurized. I think that's normal. Okay. What is that sound? I think it's the injectors. I wonder if the injectors are they? I'm gonna get this checked. It's the injectors. What's it, Jeff? So, Don, there should be a setting that we can go through, like same as on the tune board, where we adjust the minimum idle. I haven't done it on a Crossfire. But that hammering noise is just the injectors. The engine's shaking a lot. I don't know if it's just misfiring or what the deal is. What's the idea? should say times 100 or times 10.
Right there, honey.
We can show everyone on the forum just how we've done this. We ended up not getting that AC delete code here. We just bought a shorter load to see if it would work. And it did work, it does work. This the tensioner pulley is barely under engine. I'm honestly not sure how good it would work. I'm not sure how good it would work on the track, just to find out. I don't see the red hot exhaust anymore, though. Yeah, there's something else going on. I honestly don't know. It was like it was really lean for a while. In all, a success. Really. Yeah. We have no more leaking in here. But it's shaking now. It's got to be misfired. Of course, we are running the original parts of Frostbite. I don't know how old those are. And I think they're running the wires off the $500 engine. Or was it on? Yeah, that's the $500 engine. Yeah. But my guess is if I'll find that there is some sort of minimum idle adjustment to do, and that'll probably fix it. But I'm not cool with it getting as hot as it is. That standard motor product PS 147 is coming on at 116 degrees Celsius. Hey Victoria, can you switch it to English and tell us what's the temperature on English? Coming on at 240 degrees Fahrenheit. That is not cool. I wonder if that's the ECF controlling that and not the switch control. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, damn, that's hot. Holy shit. That is that hot. Oh, I shouldn't be swearing on video. No, actually, the trouble, that sounds like a really good idea. Yeah. Yeah, it would be nice to know if the transmission and everything is good because we really don't know. So why don't you stop the video? Yeah. And,